So now we will talk about tornadoes. So tornadoes are rapidly rotating columns of air that descend towards the surface. So there are two main types. So the first one is supercell, where it comes from rotating thunderstorms, and non-supercell, which comes from supercells that don't rotate. And so non-supercell tornadoes are also called land spouts and also water spouts if they form over water. And so they're formed with the meeting of the high and low pressure air masses of different directions and speeds. And the strength is ranked by the enhanced Fujita scale, which is from 0 to 5. And you can see the wind speeds on this table here. And this diagram shows the tornado in Ely, Manitoba in 2007, which was the most powerful tornado in Canadian history, which was an EF5. So tornadoes form when an updraft in superstellar thunderstorms spiral upward to produce a mesocyclone. And the tornado's touchdown is when the spiraling vortex reaches the ground level. And you can see how the spinning works in this image here. So the geographical distribution of tornadoes. In the US, there is a region known as Tornado Alley. And you can see on this map here. And the reasons for that are the cold, warm and dry air and warm moist air colliding in the center of the country. And so Canada has the second largest frequency of tornadoes in the world after the US. So climate change and tornadoes. So from December 10 to 11th, 2021, the tornado outbreak in the US occurred abnormally late. And so conditions became more favorable for tornado formation. And there was more clustering over short periods of time. And so you can see in this image here, there were so many tornadoes that happened in this narrow supercell path, causing extensive damage. And so there's a trending eastward movement of Tornado Alley because of the climate change. And the complexity of their formation makes longer-term trends difficult to predict. So now for an activity where you are the weather detective, from each of the images, which weather phenomena caused the damage. So you're going to identify it. So look at this image and take a moment, think or write down the answer. Which of the three natural disasters that we learned caused this damage? Here's the first one. Now for the second one. Okay, and now the third one. Okay, so now I will reveal the answers and explain them. So first is tornado because of the narrow path. So you can see here. And the second one is hail because you can see the indents from all the hailstones on the car. And the third one is hurricane damage because there's evidence of storm surge, which is the ocean kind of coming into the land and washing things back to the sea. Okay, thanks for watching.